Welcome to Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmad. In today's video, I'm going to talk about English grammar series, video number 6. Before this video, I have uploaded 5 videos which I explain noun and its kinds. And today's video, I'm going to talk about the noun number. What is number? A word which indicates whether a noun is singular or plural is called number. Kinds of number. A noun has two numbers, the singular number, the plural number. A noun which denotes one person or thing is called the singular noun, the singular number. For example, tree, book, pencil, table, etc. The second, the plural number. A noun which denotes more than one person or thing is called the plural noun. Example, trees, books, tables, etc. How to form plurals? Rule number first. Most nouns form their plurals by adding s to the singular. Example is book, we add only s, books. Chair, we add only s, chairs. There are so many more. Like brother, we add s, the sound will be z, brothers. Friend, we add s, the sound will be z, friends. Rule number 2, nouns ending with s, ch, sh and x form their plurals by adding es to the singular. Look at this example. Bus. So bus and the letter is s, we add es, buses. Here watch, ch, we add es, watches. Class, double s, we add es, classes. Brush, we add es, brushes. Fox, we add es, foxes. Yes, there are so many exceptions we talk about later on. Rule number 3, nouns ending with y end which have a consonant form their plural by changing y end to ies. Look at this example. For example, we have family. This is y. You will check that before the y, if there is a consonant letter, remove the y letter and add ies. For example, I say family, we remove y, we add ies. So plural form is families. Next one, city. We have y, before y we have consonant, remove y, add ies. So we can say that cities. Next one, army. So we say armies. Next, note. But only s is added to the singular if the y comes after a vowel. Look at the examples. For example, monkey. So y is there. Before y there is vowel. So we add only s. So monkey, monkeys. And also Joe, before there is a y, we have vowel o. So we add only s. That is called joys. Joe, sorry. Next one, rule number 4 we have. Nouns ending with f or fe change to ves. For example, I say singular plural. Thief, f is there. F is removed, we add vs, thieves. Next, knife, f is removed, we add vs and it's changed to what? Knives. Next one, f is changed, life, vs, lives. Wolf, f is changed to vs, we say wolves. Next one, exception. Chief and f letter, but we can't add vs, we simply add s, chiefs. Proof, we only add s, proofs. Hope, we only add hopes, only s. Rule number 5, most nouns ending o also change, or we can say form their plural by adding es. Buffalo, o is there, we add es, buffaloes. Hero, we add es, heroes. Potato, we add es, potatoes. Exception, bamboo, so add only s to form plural, bamboos. Potato, only s. Video, only s. Piano, only s. Next, rule number 6, some nouns form their plural by vowel change. For example, look at here, main, so I is change word, E. So we say man, men, child, children, ox, oxen, mouse, mice, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, woman, woman. That's end.